السلام عليكم. Welcome to the second video of your series Situational Arabic.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. أهلا وسهلا.
In this video we will learn the top Arabic phrases for congratulations.
حسنا، لنبدأ.
Well, let's start.
Madinah Arabic, your portal to learn Arabic.
مبارك.
Congratulations, or literally may it be blessed. Other synonyms of this expression:
بارك الله لك، بورك لك، بورك عليك.
may Allah bless or bless it for you. All these forms ending with the pronoun ka could be conjugated according to number and gender of the persons we are talking to.
بارك الله لك.
For singular masculine.
بارك الله لك.
For singular feminine.
بارك الله لكما.
For jewel.
بارك الله لكم.
For plural masculine.
بارك الله لكن.
For plural feminine. Another congratulations phrase:
أهنئك.
I congratulate you, and the preposition be has to be added as
أهنئك بالنجاح.
This form can be conjugated according to the speaker.
أهنئك بالنجاح. نهنئك بالنجاح.
And it can be conjugated according to the addressee.
أهنئك.
For singular masculine.
أهنئك.
For singular feminine.
أهنئكما.
For jewel.
أهنئكم.
For plural masculine.
أهنئكن.
For plural feminine. Finally, we may replace بالنجاح with the phrase بأنك نجحت, meaning that you have succeeded, or the form بنجاحك, meaning of your success. In these forms, we may conjugate the phrase according to number and gender of the addressee as follows:
أهنئك بنجاحك.
For singular masculine.
أهنئك بنجاحك.
For singular feminine.
أهنئكما بنجاحكما.
For jewel.
أهنئكم بأنكم نجحتم.
For plural masculine.
أهنئكن بأنكن نجحتن.
For plural feminine. Anyhow, if you feel confusion, you can use
مبارك.
congratulations, as it doesn't need any kind of conjugation. At the end of this video, I take this opportunity to congratulate all the succeeding students for this year. I'll say
بارك الله لكم نجاحكم هذا العام.
بارك الله لكم نجاحكم هذا العام.
إلى اللقاء.
See you later.
السلام عليكم.
Sign up today and get your free one-to-one trial lesson with one of our male and female native Arabic tutors at Madinah Arabic Tuition Center. No credit card required.